The fried chicken sandwich craze has swept the nation. But what if you don't want to wait in line or risk getting stabbed for a chicken sandwich? You can make your own, of course. In this video, you will learn how to make your own chicken biscuits in the comfort of your own home. Chicken biscuits consist of two main components, the chicken and the biscuit. For the biscuits, I am using the honey butter glazed biscuits from my previous recipe. If you haven't watched that video, check the link in the top right corner or in the video description. For the chicken, it is a bit more involved. You'll need some boneless, skinless chicken breasts, batter coating, and a wash. You'll want to slice up the chicken into patty-sized pieces. You can get about 3 or 4 patty-sized pieces from each breast. The sliced chicken can then be soaked in a brine solution. I'm using a simple water and salt solution here. For the coating, I mixed together a cup of flour, some salt, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of chili powder. Depending on how spicy you want your chicken to be, add more chili powder. Other spices can be added to this mixture, such as powdered ranch dressing. Use your imagination. Finally, for the wash, I used 1 whole egg and a little bit of milk. Buttermilk is acceptable here, but I didn't have any at the time. Before we start breading this chicken, you'll want to start preheating your oil. I'm using a medium-sized saucepan filled with about 2 inches of oil. Remember, be careful when deep frying. A single boil over can cause a fire.
Oh God.
To bread these chicken pieces, you're going to want to start off by grabbing a hold of a piece with a fork. Trust me, you'll want to use a fork because you'll lose a lot of coating if you use your hands. Shake off some brine, then start rolling it around in the coating mix. Then dip it in the wash. Repeat this process by going back and forth between the coating and the wash for at least 3 dips into the flour coating, ending there. Now you can start frying the chicken. Use your fork to move the breaded pieces of chicken into the oil. In my pot, I can fit 2 pieces in at once. Fry for a few minutes on each side until the coating is a nice golden brown. Using a tongs, remove each completed chicken patty and allow the oil to drain onto paper towels. Repeat frying until all chicken pieces are done. As part of my recipe, I prepared a solution of honey butter to top my biscuits, similar to the Whataburger honey butter chicken biscuits. Unfortunately, I overcooked my honey and it turned into a caramelized mess. It still tasted good, but it solidified the moment it was removed from the heat. The sandwich is put together by splitting open a biscuit, coating both halves of the biscuit with honey butter, and then placing a chicken patty in the middle. These biscuits are amazing. Enjoy! If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button, and share this video with a friend if you think they would enjoy making these biscuits. If you'd like to see more recipes like this one, be sure to subscribe. Check out our catalog for more baking videos. We'll see you in the next video.